It'll be 12 volts, we need it up to 20 volts. That's good. When it's on 0, 8 comes up. Stuck pixel somehow. The thing that actually connects the circuit board to the LCD is that pink thing there. And sometimes that can like shift. This might be a prelude to me getting another multimeter. I'm not careful. Let's put those in there. This might not even work, but we've committed now. Committed to this unwiseness. Screws rounding a bit, that's not good, is it? Right, moment of truth. Look at that! I can't believe that. I thought I was just going to be saying, well, it was only £4 anyway, I've broken it, but look. You watch now, it won't display 8.